welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to ask a question. What is holding you back? What do you need to stop? So it's a very general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So today I'm going to go and check in for you collective. What do you need to stop? Okay, so first we're going to start with the universal, or let's say spiritual guidance deck that I've made, and let's see what does our guides. Oh my god, there are so many messages that wants to be delivered. Okay, a lot of you need to stop procrastinating or delaying things because of your lazy nature is something that I'm getting. Okay, so if you want to work on that project, do not wait for that next Monday in order to work. Okay, that's the guidance that's coming in for some of you. What do they need to stop? What do they need to stop? Okay, see, you need to stop making wrong decisions, or you need to stop taking decisions in. You should not take decisions when you're imbalanced, okay, too in emotional or too logical. That's not the way to, that's not the right time in order to make the right decisions. If you want to make right decisions, you need to be balanced, you need to be aligned, you need to be connected with your inner self in order to make the right decisions, because people are going to come in and go. They're going to say, you should do this, you should do that, but at the end only you know what keeps you going, what's your purpose, what you are here to deliver to all of us at the end. Correct? So connect with your inner self and please do not make the wrong decisions. Okay, I'm going to take these now. For some of you, if you're questioning that you have a very beautiful friend, a very beautiful soul connection, then yes, if you're feeling soul connection with somebody, okay, soulmate connection, it is a big yes. It can be a Cancer, it can be an Aries person. You might be seeing signs as 666, 111, 161, 699, 988 as well. This is what I'm getting guidance. So if you're asking me a question about it, 100% that's right. You have a past life connection with this person. That is why you're feeling a strong bond with this person. The second thing that I've got is check your mind, body, soul balance. I said itself when I was shuffling that I sense that you're not connected to your inner self. That is why you're not making right decisions in your life. And then you feel, hurt. You feel that you failed. That's not right. You're just not in the right alignment in order to take the decisions, because divine timing is already going on. You need to be aligned enough to get that guidance, that intuition on, third eye on, in order to take a decision or make the right decisions, right move, right choices in your life. Don't let your mind thoughts trap your energy. Release those thoughts and let the emotions flow, to let the momentum going. So you guys, you're too much in your head and you're wasting your time, okay, and you feel tired or you feel lazy or you feel lethargic, is because your mind is thinking, it's overthinking, okay, it's trapping you by its fears and doubts, and that is why your mental energy is getting fucked up. It's getting so less that you're not able to do your daily work. So let your mind calm and get balanced, okay. Start listening to some meditational music in order to relax your mind and your thinking. Check your health, exercise, and create fun to enjoy life. Life is already going on. So the message here for you guys is that you forget that all of these things, okay, all of those aspirations, all of those goals, all of those careers, whatever it is that you're working towards day in and out, that's one thing. But you can't sit all day for like 4 hours, 5 hours, and then not get up, and after 2-3 months you come to the doctor and you say, I'm having spondylitis. That's not going to work. You need to take care of your health. You need to take care of your spine, your legs, your body. You need to get up. You need to have exercise routine, whatever works for you, okay, in order to take care of yourself. That's the guidance. And remember that life is already going on, okay. So even if I'm making a video, my life is already going on, okay. So for me, it's like life is running out and I want to do everything and anything that I can do to make the best out of myself and the life and give my best to out to the people. speak things or speak it into the existence. You hold the power. Incurable. Okay, I see a very clear message for you guys in the people who are watching this video. You need to take care of your health. Either mental health or physical health is getting deteriorated because you are so in your mind, and that is getting affected to your body. So you need to relax, you need to recover, you need to rest. For some of you, you are not in your mind, but you're so much into your workspace, or you are maybe you are having a lot of responsibilities at this point of time when you're watching this video. It's a timeless video, okay? It's a general video, so take how it resonates. It's creating a lot of toss and pain in your body, okay? If you're not sensing that pain, you'll sense it after 2 months. So the universe is saying, pay attention to that and start walking, start doing the stretches, start with a simple yoga routine, okay? Whatever it is, start doing that, because that needs your attention, okay? Or start meditating. For these people, start meditating. Now see, the day you start meditating, I can't assure you that your mind will calm down. So I won't actually recommend meditating to try to calm your mind. I will actually recommend meditation because it will help you to connect with yourself and listen to your intuition. But when you are too much in your mind, you need to shift your thought process, you need to shift your perspective, okay? You need to try doing things that you used to do, whether it's playing badminton, whether it's reading books, whether it's drawing, whether it's dancing, whatever it is, to try to bring in that calmness, the childlike energy, and not to be serious all the time, because that is having an effect on your body and you need to pay attention to it. And another thing is that incurable. If you think that your pain, your anxiety, your worries, if you're depressed, okay, whatever it is, it's incurable. Though in the word itself, when I say incurable, the word is curable, and I break it into in and curable. So from within, it's curable when you believe in yourself, when you know that what, I can do it. Yes, what it requires is hard work and consistency. I'll do it. Okay, it all starts from you. So if you're trying to blame somebody for something, stop doing that, because it's not going to help you, and speak it into existence. You hold the power. Your words have a lot of power on you, so think before you speak. So, for some of you, it can be as simple as, if you have a Alexa at your home, okay, just bring on some beautiful songs and just dance it out. Let those negative energies out from your body. That will even help you to relax your mind and come out of that negativity and negative thoughts and low vibrational thought processes. If you are trying to go for that yoga classes, please go for that. If you're thinking of joining that gym membership for your health, do that. If that health checkup is important, if you're thinking, go for that. If you need to be connected with your inner doctor, okay? You need to be connected to that all the time, because your health is in your hands. It all starts from within you, your choices. If you believe that you can cure, yes, you can cure. If you believe that you can cure your spondylitis, yes, you can. Okay, I don't know, but this reading is getting into some health related things, but that's the truth. Okay, for some, if you are in a high, if you are into high soulmate connections and you're ascending, okay, and you are in your ascension process and you're feeling those ascension energy is very high, then for you all, as simple as start dancing, let those energies move. Start yoga, start Pilates, start Zumba, power yoga, go on walks. It will help you as well. People in ascension, if you are in spiritual journey, you know what I mean. If you don't know, please Google it. You'll understand what I mean by ascension. At the end, it's evolution, correct? But it's a very spiritual, highly journey. A lot of light workers, star seeds, empaths, intuitive empaths know what I mean by that. At the end, it's telling me to connect with the God, angels, or guides, or whoever you believe in. Okay, I'll say universe, and get your answers. Now, I feel for a lot of you, you really need to go for that health checkup, or the doctor's appointment, or in your routine, you need to get your health at a priority. If you're feeling low, you're thinking a lot, you don't know what's going on in your mind, you're feeling sad, you need to speak, okay, to somebody. somebody. So please do that. When you will speak, then only changes will happen in your life. Okay? Then only the opposite person will understand what are you trying to say, and that's important, right? And you need to take that action for yourself. That's what I feel. And I also want to tell you that please, if you're taking some medications and all, in order to get healed, in order to get better for your health, please remember that you know as you are patients to your doctor, the patients who take care of themselves and regularly work on their health, keep the health as a priority, take an active interest in their own healing process, in their health, they generally, their body responds in a more positive way. They see a lot of success in a short period of time. The treatment that's been given to you will work very beautifully for you. And I always say, and I'll always say to you all as well, that remember, your health is in your hand. Please remain fully involved in your own health care. Okay? It's yours. Irrespective of the responsibilities, everything, at the end, if you do not have a healthy body, how are you going to work? So look into that, bring in the balance. If you're always working, stop that and take care of your health. Okay? Let me just pull out guidance on this topic. So what do you have, angels, on this? You might be seeing numbers once, 777, 222, crown chakra, heart chakra, sacral chakra. Okay. There is a need for you to get balanced. Okay, balance your chakras, balance your body. If you feel that you're overworking a lot, try to have a everyday routine where you spend time with playing with your children. If you have children, watching series is fine, but better than that is sitting with your parents and having conversations about their life. Just ask them, one day, then how you used to live, what you used to do when you were a child, what used to, what things that you used to do, it makes you feel happy, regenerated. What were your wildest, I think the one of the good questions that you can ask yourself is to yourself, that what were your wildest fantasies when you were a child. Bring in that energy, that fire within you, and always you can do that. The world and the eight of wands world, I see that for you guys, I see a lot of green, so maybe you love green. It can be, right? So you guys, for a lot of you, travel can help. It will help you to give you that relaxation, that balance that you need in your energy, that regenerate, that peace that you want. For some of you, a communication is coming in that will close a cycle, that will end a cycle, that will end something, and that will give you this peace, okay, that has been destroyed. For some of you, you are fixed signs, Leo, Aries, Taurus, and Scorpio. You're watching this video, or you're thinking about somebody, or in your friend circle, or in your family, maybe whatever I'm talking, it resonates with you. Inform that take care of your body, do these classes, have some fun, go for that ballet, go for that dance, whatever it is that keeps you happening, and gives you reason in order to enjoy your life on earth, okay, as human beings. Maybe for some of you, you will be waiting for a commitment for some person that's coming in strong energy. Okay, so it can be strong energy, that's why I'm saying fixed signs. Okay, I heard Cancer, so for some, yeah, there's a Cancer here also written, there's a Aries also written. Okay, for some of you, what you need to do is open your crown chakra in order for that guidance to come in, because there's a certain amount of guidance that really wants to come in. Okay, so you need to, for that, you need to be relaxed, you need to be in relaxed state in order for these things to come in. You might be seeing signs and synchronicities, as I said already in the beginning of the video. this guidance can be for a Leo, it can be for a Sag as well. um, I see that for some of you, if you're waiting for some written matter, that's also coming. Okay, I just want one clarifier because I feel there is something that is, you know, it's so close to your heart, it's so close to you, and you've been waiting for that, and that's coming. Now, what is that? I like to know. Okay, let's see what's that. Oh, so much. I just need one card. Universe, what's that? Okay, there's a wish fulfillment. Wow. Okay. So there's a wish fulfillment. Okay. Now it can be anything for anybody as a general reading, but there is something that you want or you're wishing for every single day. Okay, you're putting in that kind of energy about thinking. If you're overthinking about something, I want this, actually you're gonna get it. But for that, before you get that, universe is like, be calm, being in the receiving energy for that to things coming. 8, 9, 21 is comes to 3. So see, it's all about balance again, if you go to see. So this, whatever is coming in, okay, it's going to give you the emotional fulfillment that you want, emotional happiness, emotional security, emotional stability. It can be as simple as you're working on your gifts that you've been given from God, and it's creating an amazing effect on the world, and people are recognizing that, and it's helping them. It's going to be as simple as it is. Okay, so yeah, for some of you it can be travel, for some of you it can be a wish fulfillment. Now wish fulfillment will be very different and very individual for all of you guys. So see what it is, do a little bit of introspection, go within, ask yourself and think about it, and you will get to know through your intuition itself. It will speak to you, but for, it's already, it always speaks to us, but for what why you're not able to hear is because you have a lot of attention over things around you and not on your intuition, your gut. So look into that as well. Maybe you guys need to work upon your gut health as well. Possibility is there, right? So your wish fulfillment is coming in, and before this comes in, there's going to be a cycle that's going to come to end as well, so the new cycle can start. And it's going to be sacred. That's what the word is coming. It's going to be very sacred at the end for you guys. So that's it. So this reading was very random, and I felt very nice to connect with your energies as well. So this reading is more about check on your health. That's what it is. Yeah. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.